into you. I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on our worst night.
Yo, what is up, everybody? And today we're going to do a new video on the new Samsung wireless charging Trio. So you know what? I think it has like 9 watts for if you have a Samsung phone, but if you have an iPhone, it can go up to 7.5 watts. So yeah, and I also have a watch right here, the charger for the watch. Sorry guys if you see the lights blinking. I'm trying to change my batteries for the lights. Shoot, I forgot. I have the LUKA seal. Let's see, what can I do? You know what? I might use my computer RAM stick to cut the LUKA seal. Get back in the box. Get back in the box. Okay, good. Oops, I kind of broke the box a little bit. Here we go. Okay, good. All right. Alright, so nothing's in the box. Yep, that's right. And then we got the wireless charger Trio. Here we go. Wow, okay. Yeah, I know it comes a long time ago, but I think this is the latest one I have right here. And we got stop. And we got the thing. Okay, so now let's try the peel. Satisfying, bro. Very satisfying. So here we go. We got the thing. So you know what? Let's take a look at this thing. So right here we got the connector, USB-C connector. Like, yeah, USB-C. So I think it has 6 wireless charging cords across this one here, and then so that way you guys can get like a perfect like angle every time you try to put it in. So yeah. So it's good to charge your ecosystem. If you have a Samsung phone, Galaxy Buds, which I do have the original ones, but I will upgrade mine to the Galaxy Buds 2. Wait, actually no, the Buds Pro, because I do like the black look. The Buds 2 right here, it's inside the speaking case, which I absolutely love. So I'm gonna put a link in the description, but before you guys go on the link, I do not have an affiliate link because I'm not over 18 yet. So maybe by May 30th, which is about 2 months away by the time I'm filming this video, I should be able to get my affiliate link working on my upcoming videos starting like May 30th, probably June if Amazon takes a little longer to accept my affiliate links and stuff. So here's the charger, and yeah, and then let's put it in the side. And now we got a charger. I believe. Wait, it's just a 25 watt that I see from Samsung. It kind of looks like it. Oh my God! I never had a USB-C charging brick with the C in it from Samsung and any of the brands before. So I think that's only for the. So if you guys want to calculate the whole system, the whole racket in here, please do so, because I don't know how to calculate all those little rackets and amps and everything. Oh man, this light is blinking because this thing is about to die. Shut up, you dumb little. Oh my God. And I really need to upgrade my gear. Anyway, so here we go. Now we got the USB-C cable. Here we go. We got USB-C to C connector. I never had this cable like that before, and it's not that long. Like, I'm gonna put it on my nightstand. Alright, so let me. I think that's pretty much it in the box. So let me get that plastic thing back inside. And also, before I go, it has a quick start guide, which who really needs this? I mean, unless you guys are not tech savvy, which it does make sense to have this manual, but to me, I'm very tech savvy. I know a lot about what's happening. Like not the whole like other companies, but I know what's happening right now. Like the whole Samsung S22. But the problem, but before I tell you the problems, thankfully my mom pre-ordered it. So if you're watching this video, mom, don't hold up. If you're watching this video, thank you. But the problem with this is that AT&T is not delivering my phone until the delivery date to April 11th. Like AT&T, you better step up your delivery game, bro. I'm tired of. Okay, like listen, I'm not gonna complain and let it cancel, but of course I'm never gonna be happy if it's canceled. Okay, got the box out. Here we go. Wireless charging Trio. And let's plug into the cable. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got it plugged in. I don't know, the light is not even on. So here we go, my phone. Gotta fight with the perfect spot. What's up my earbuds? Isn't that on? Let me see my watch. Oh, I mean, does it touch? Oh my God, it charges. Yeah, my watch charges. So oh my God, Samsung, you got me excited. And here. Why is it not letting my phone charge? Let me take off my case. I think my case is the culprit. So maybe like this? Yeah, I'm gonna take off my case for this. I might have to take my earbuds case off too. I don't know why it's not even. And I got the black Galaxy buds, which I knew where I'm going. So here we go, phone, earbuds. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. And then watch. Let me see if I can just flip the band, because I have that little. Gotta find a perfect spot. My watch doesn't have no magnets in here. Oh, here we go. Phone's charging. Phone's charging. Earbuds charging. And watch is charging. Yo! I'm charging my whole ecosystem. Whew! I know. Listen guys, I'm just excited. I've never owned any of those Samsung chargers before. Like, oh my God. Oh my, I know, I'm just too excited. I'm gonna get my watch back on, because I do know that it has enough battery. But what about if I have the case on? That's where I'm concerned. Because I do want to charge my phone with the case on. Because I don't want to, if I just let my phone, look, if I ever hit my nightstand for whatever reason when I'm sleeping, I don't want this phone to crack. I don't want this phone to, I do not even want my phone to break. Does it charge? Of course, let's go. What about with the case? Please tell me. Get my speaking case. Please tell me. Please tell me it works. So I guess the surgeon is not working on an earbuds case for some reason. Oh, there we go. I gotta find the right cord. Yeah, I gotta find the right cord right here. Will this work? Yep, this works. And I can charge my watch also. I can also charge my watch.
Lock the door, hold the wrist up. Don't know where the switch though. Got my bands up. Think I need a branch, stroke. We keep it lit. I can't let these niggas miss us. Talking crazy, think you might get stitched up. I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck up.
By the way, I have the original Galaxy watch, but if you guys were wondering how did I get this Galaxy watch, is that I found it in my dad's bathroom. So yeah. So I just reset his data. I have this watch because it's gonna be my watch. But I think my dad will use it by the time I get like a new Galaxy Watch 4, possibly the new Watch 5. It's 2022, but we need to update the shoot.
Deep left field and gone.
Bada boom, bada bing, bout cash, bout bling. Go ahead, make it ring, 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 ring. Told the thotty ring a ding, 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 ding.
Let's go. It's charging right now. On my phone, it says 39 minutes so far because I have put up 81% of my battery. Earbuds charging, which I don't know if you guys can see the word light, which no, because there's a case. But as you guys can tell, shoot. I don't know, it's blinking, but it's just 1 hour. Man, I love my Galaxy ecosystem. Let me get my tripod back up. I don't have a perfect studio setup right here, guys. I'm hoping I can upload pretty soon right now. God, I got boogers in my nose. Anyways, I hope you have a good time. And I probably repeated it. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and yeah. And also don't forget to turn on the notifications to those who are new, because right now it is 99% of you guys are watching this video without subscribing. So please, if you're new, my name is Jonathan H, which I'm not gonna say my last name for privacy reasons. 17 years old, tech YouTuber, and I am looking to hit 500 subscribers by the time maybe during the year, probably the middle of the year, but hopefully 1,000 by the time 2023 starts to come up. So yeah. So, peace.